Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best garden sprayers 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a garden sprayer that allows you to spray a large area, you'll like the Field King. This tank can hold 4 gallons of liquid and weighs 50 pounds when full. It's got a 21-inch poly wand, and the pump handle is reversible for left or right-handed use. The paddles ensure that the liquids, powders, and water-soluble solutions are mixed, and the no-leak pump keeps your back and clothing dry. They've included Viton seals on the pump so you can change it quickly without tools. Field King also fitted a premium shutoff, which is a comfortable grip and a lockable trigger to mitigate hand fatigue. The tank has a built-in carry handle, as well as wand storage, another great feature. You'll feel that this backpack sprayer is comfortable because it has padded straps, a chest cinch strap, and a waist belt. It also comes with several nozzles to allow you versatility. The downside to this sprayer is that you can't fold it for easy storage. Make sure you've got room in the garage or shed. After testing this product and comparing it to the rest, we believe the Field King Professional is the best garden sprayer in 2020. The affordable Idisl has an adjustable brass nozzle to achieve the desired intensity of spray from direct injection to fine mist. The ergonomic handle will reduce fatigue and facilitate long-time spraying. You can use it to clean cars or pets, but it's not suitable for acidic or corrosive solutions. The high-quality polyethylene (PE) material lets you see the remaining liquid capacity scale through the transparent bottle so that you can replenish before running out. This pump sprayer comes with water-resistant seals, anti-clogging filters, and rings to ensure durability and maintenance ease. It comes with a strong pressure bar to increase airflow pressure, but Idisl included a safety valve that relieves pressure as soon as it exceeds 2.5 to 3 bar, equivalent of 36 to 43 pounds per square inch, SI. You'll find that the shoulder straps are comfortable, and you won't need tools for assembly or maintenance. The brass wand is its subpar feature since you might find that it's not as strong as expected. M4 has included the battery, which lasts for 6 to 8 hours or over 200 gallons after charging it. The variable pressure switch allows you to control the flow from 20 to 60 psi. It includes a stainless steel wand and an acid bleach wand. It also has a plastic squeeze handle with a locking mechanism. The large mouth lid lets you fill up easily, and the screen filter ensures that debris and dirt stay out of the tank. You'll get several nozzles such as fan tip, fog, and cone, as well as pockets for wands and accessories. There's also the quick change battery compartment, triple thick XXL shoulder pads, and a strain relief hose. The negative of this product is the battery, which you'll have to replace roughly every 1 to 3 years, and this additional expense is the only reason it doesn't make the top 2. The Smith R200 sprayer has a 21-inch steel wand and Viton seals to ensure maximum chemical resistance. Its easy-to-access filter results in reduced clogging and minimum time spent cleaning, and you can change the pump seals in minutes without tools. The 2-gallon tank is perfect for applying weed killer, insecticides, and fertilizers on large gardens and lawn. Don't think that the tank is leaking from the bottom when the residual pressure releases from the wand. It's designed to have liquid drip into the wand storage tray after releasing the pressure. The lock-in feature reduces hand fatigue, and you'll get 4 nozzles. The efficient pump ensures that you do less pumping, and the stability base works to prevent the sprayer from tipping over. The appealing feature about this sprayer is that it's smaller than the top 3, so storage shouldn't be a problem. The issue with this sprayer is that it has unclear fill lines, so you'll have to mix your content in another container to get the correct measurements. The Chapin 26021 XP is a 2-gallon sprayer that is perfect for landscape and a turf professional, but is also suitable for a homeowner. Its 4-inch mouth reduces the chances of spillage, and it also has a 3-stage filtration system with an anti-clog filter that's resistant to dirt and debris. It's got an adjustable brass nozzle and 3 different tips, enabling you to get a fine mist pattern to a coarse stream. The cushion grip shutoff works to minimize hand and wrist fatigue, while the pressure release valve improves the sprayer's pressure and control. This sprayer comes with a 48-inch clear reinforced hose. This sprayer also comes with an ergonomic handle to provide easy pumping and carrying, but this sprayer isn't as durable as others on this list. If you're using it every now and again, it should last a while, but continuous professional use might lead to quicker wear and tear, and hence, earlier replacement.